Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you need to guys actually replace the flag mirror covers on the side of the doors, those things go bad, they crack, they fall off. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. There is a trick. If you don't do it right, you will damage them guys, and you can damage your fender, your seal, and you may end up spending quite a bit of money. So make sure to stay until the end. We will explain the trick in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, flag mirror covers, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So you can see those guys, okay, those are the new ones right here, left, right side. We'll explain how to do that. You can see those, they damage, okay, the seals start falling apart. If you just pry them, you will damage your fender and that seal right here that comes separate. So how do you guys do that? Okay, on those mirror covers you have actually 3 clips guys. Now, those 3 clips, okay, they actually slide out. You can slide them out. Okay, you can see like that. So how do you guys remove and install it? Let us show you now. It's pretty simple. We're going to remove the bottom 2 on the new one because our clips are good. But here we're going to open the door, okay, just like that. We'll come from the inside. We're going to get a panel removal tool where it goes in the clip, okay, and we pry it. When you pry it like that, you lift it up, okay, and you slide it out guys. You slide it up, out. Check it out now. If you pay attention here, you have an arrow, okay? I'm trying to focus. You have one arrow on the clips. You align that arrow pointing up. You can see how the seal stays here, right? Now, if your clips are broken, you can just replace them now. If they are not, what you can do, remove the bottom pieces, the bottom clips right here. Align everything really good, guys. Okay. Align everything really good, push in, okay, get the clip going, push it in, align it, and you have a new mirror flag cover installed like that. You can see without damaging anything. So the other one is the same way, practically identical to this one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.